Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 6 4K dual dashcam. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. REDTIGER 4K dashcam. Front and rear, Starvis 2 sensor. Touchscreen 3.18-inch, 128GB card included, voice control. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi car dash camera, GPS, night vision. Emergency lock, parking mode, F7N Touch. Brand REDTIGER. Model name F7N Touch. Vehicle service type bus, car, minivan, truck. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi. Special feature touchscreen, app control, built-in display. Loop recording, built-in GPS, WDR, internal memory. Free 128GB memory card, G-sensor, compact design. 4K front and rear dual cams, built-in Wi-Fi, night vision, OTA firmware update, built-in super capacitor, 18-month reliable warranty, help at redtigercam.com, automatic incident detection, loop recording, G-sensor, parking monitor, audio recording, touchscreen, app control, built-in display, loop recording, built-in GPS, WDR, internal memory, free 128GB memory card, G-sensor, compact design, 4K front and rear dual cams, built-in W. See more. Video capture resolution 1080p, 2160p. Mounting type windshield mount. Color, black. 4K plus 1080p dual recording. REDTIGER F77 Touch captures your drive journey in stunning 4K UHD resolution with Starvis 2 sensor, 170 degrees wide-angle view for the front dash cam and 1080p FHD resolution, 140 degrees wide-angle for the rear car camera. Equipped with WDR and HDR technology, the enhanced Super Night Vision ensures better visibility even in low-light situations, providing you with reliable recordings day and night. Voice control and touchscreen, F7 Touch dashcam features voice commands, allowing for hands-free control of your 4K car camera, which enhances safety by minimizing distractions. Number 2. WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam. Backup camera. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi smart rear view mirror for cars and trucks. Front and rear view dual cameras, night vision, parking assistance. Included 32GB card and GPS. Brand, WOLFBOX. Included components, 1080p backup camera with screws and 3M tape, 11 feet car charger, 32GB card, in the dashcam card slot, 4K mirror dashcam, external GPS antenna, 1080p backup camera with screws and 3M tape, 11 feet car charger, 32GB card, in the dashcam card slot, 4K mirror dashcam, external GPS antenna. Mounting type rear view, mirror mount. Auto park position, front inside. Model name, G840S. Vehicle service type, car. Connectivity technology, USB. Special feature, built-in display, built-in GPS, built-in speaker, built-in super capacitor, compact design. G-sensor, loop recording, internal memory. Night vision, touch screen, parking monitor. Reverse assist, mute function, built-in display, built-in GPS, built-in speaker, built-in super capacitor, compact design, G-sensor, loop recording, internal memory, night vision, touch screen, parking monitor, reverse assist. See more. Video capture resolution 2160p. Upgraded 4K UHD clarity, experience stunning detail with the front camera's upgrade to 4K UHD, 2160p resolution. Paired with a 1080p rear camera. The extra-large 12-inch display provides 1.5 times the viewing area of a standard mirror, significantly reducing blind spots for enhanced safety. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking. The included external GPS antenna enables real-time GPS data display directly on the dashcam. Connect to your phone via Wi-Fi and use the WOLFBOX app on iOS or Android devices to real-time viewing, playback recordings, and quick sharing of videos. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam. Front and rear, Starvis 2 sensor. Free 128GB card included, 5G Wi-Fi up to 20 MB per second fastest download speed with app for K2160p/FHD dash camera for cars, 3-inch IPS, 24H parking mode. Brand, ROVE. Model name, R2-4K Dual. Auto park position, front center, rear center. Vehicle service type, bus, car, minivan, SUV, truck. Connectivity technology, USB, Wi-Fi. Special feature, 5G Wi-Fi, fastest download speed up to 20 MB per second, ROVE app for iOS and Android, OTA firmware updates, built-in GPS for geo tagging. Life speed, super capacitor for higher heat/cold and longer product life, built-in microphone, speaker, voice guidance, 360 degrees rotation, 150 degrees plus 140 degrees true wide-angle view, free 128GB memory card included, up to 1TB external storage support, HDR, high dynamic range, Sony Starvis 2 sensor, 2024 Super Night Vision low light capture technology, 3-inch IPS wider display 5G Wi-Fi, fastest download speed up to 20 MB per second, ROVE app for iOS and Android, OTA, over-the-air, firmware updates, built-in GPS for geo tagging. Live speed, super capacitor for higher heat/cold. See more. Video capture resolution 1080p, 2160p. Mounting type windshield mount. Color black. See more. About this item. 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, ROVE R2-4K Dual Dashcam offers dual-channel recording capabilities, capturing footage simultaneously from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera records at 3840x2160p at 30 fps, while the rear camera captures 1920x 1080p at 30 fps footage, ensuring clear recordings of the road ahead and behind you. With a 150 degrees ultra-wide angle for the front camera and a 140 degrees angle for the rear camera, you'll capture more of the road with this 4K dashcam. Number 4. REDTIGER F77 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear, dual Starvis 2 IMX678 HDR, built-in 128GB eMMC, voice-controlled dash camera for cars with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, for foot touchscreen, GPS, night vision, 24H parking mode. Brand REDTIGER. Auto park position front, rear. Vehicle service type bus, car, minivan, truck. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi. Special feature built-in Wi-Fi, app control, built-in display, built-in supercapacitor, front 4K plus rear 4K, dual AMX678 sensor, built-in 128GB eMMC, locked recording, supercapacitor, screensaver, G-sensor, compact design, loop recording, parking monitor, night vision, touch screen, voice control. Built-in Wi-Fi, app control, built-in display, built-in supercapacitor, front 4K plus rear 4K, dual AMX678 sensor, built-in 128GB eMMC, locked recording, supercapacitor, screensaver, G-sensor. Video capture resolution 2160p. Mounting type windshield mount. Color black. Sharper details with dual 4K recording. The industry-leading F77 dashcam upgraded to the advanced Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor provides crystal-clear footage, and simultaneously records your car front and back at 4K at 30 fps plus 4K at 30 fps. REDTIGER car dashcam effortless detail capturing day or night, making it the flagship dash camera for drivers. HDR night vision with Starvis 2 IMX678, REDTIGER F77 is the first front and rear dashcam both equipped with high-spec Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors. The Starvis 2 dashcam 4K offers superior night vision. 7-layer glass f/1.8 wide aperture lens, and combined with 4K HDR/WDR technology, automatically balancing light and dark, provides a much clearer image than most. Number 5. REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dashcam. 5 GHz Wi-Fi built-in GPS with 64GB card. 1080p front and rear inside. Triple car camera with 3-inch screen, IR night vision, G-sensor, WDR, parking mode. Brand, REDTIGER. Auto park position, front. Model name, F17. Vehicle service type bus, car, minivan, truck. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi. Special feature 3-channel front and rear inside, for IR lights, 18-month reliable warranty, help at redtigercam.com, 360-degree, app control, built-in display, built-in GPS, built-in supercapacitor, built-in Wi-Fi, compact design, G-sensor, internal memory, loop recording, mute function, night vision, parking monitor, OTA firmware update, audio recording 3-channel front and rear inside, 4 IR lights, 18-month reliable warranty, help at redtigercam.com, 360-degree, app control, built-in display, built-in. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.